Let's clean the house. First, let's make the bed. Drag the sheets up over the bed. Super! Drag the pillow onto the bed. Well done! Drag the teddy bears onto the bed. Good job! Well done! Next, let's help Cowie vacuum the room. Drag the vacuum cleaner to clean the floor. Super! Now we are going to clean the window. Well done! Drag the cloth to the window to wipe off the foam. Good job! Let's get the room ready for the party. Drag the party decoration to its place. Nice job! Well done! Good job! Drag the cake to its place. Super! What a great party!